Hello everyone, I am Trupti Pandya and today I will be teaching you Element of Account Standard 12 Part 2 Chapter 1 Accounting for Share Capital. In previous lecture from exercise we already completed up to question number 16. Today let us start question number 17. Question 17. Siddhpur Isabgul Limited issued 6 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 7 per share. The amount was payable as under: rupees 10 per share on application including premium, rupees 4 per share on allotment, rupees 3 per share on final call. Applications were received for 9 lakh shares. Excess applications were rejected and money paid thereon was refunded. Siddharaj, who was allotted 6,000 shares, did not pay money due on allotment and hence his shares were forfeited after allotment. Jaisi, who was allotted 4,000 shares, did not pay money due on final call and hence his shares were forfeited after final call. Allotment and final call amount was received on remaining shares. Company reissued 6,000 shares of Siddharaj at rupees 7 per share to Meenal and 4,000 shares of Jaisi at rupees 6 per share to Rudra. Pass necessary journal entries in the books of company to record above transactions and also prepare share forfeiture account. Answer part. First of all, we complete the necessary calculation. On application, 9 lakh shares rupees 3 is equal to 27,000 plus security premium 9 lakh shares into 7 rupees 3 lakh. Bank account 90 lakh. 27 lakh plus 63 lakh is equal to 90 lakh. Minus rejected application 3 lakh share into 10 30 lakh. 90 lakh minus 30 lakh is equal to 60 lakh. Now on allotment 6 lakh share into 4 rupees is equal to 24 lakh. Minus coal in area 6,000 shares into 4 is equal to 24,000. 24 lakh minus 24,000 is equal to bank account 23 lakh 76,000. On forfeiture shares 6,000 share of Siddharaj. Share capital 6,000 shares into 7 is equal to 42,000. Minus coal in area 6,000 shares into 4 is equal to 24,000. 42,000 minus 24,000 is equal to 18,000 share forfeiture. On final call, 5,94,000 shares into 3 is equal to 17,82,000. Minus coal in arrears, 4,000 shares into 3 is equal to 12,000. 17,82,000 minus 12,000 is equal to bank account 17,70,000. On forfeiture shares, 4,000 shares of Jaisi. Share capital 4,000 shares into 10 is equal to 40,000. Minus coal in arrears 4,000 shares into 3 is equal to 12,000. 40,000 minus 12,000 is equal to 28,000 share forfeiture. Reissue of Siddharaj shares. Bank account debit 6,000 shares into 7 rupees is equal to 42,000 rupees. Plus shares forfeiture account 6,000 shares into 3 is equal to 18,000. 42,000 plus 18,000 is equal to 60,000 share capital. Reissue of a Jaisi share. Bank account amount 4,000 shares into 6 is equal to 24,000. Plus share forfeiture 4,000 shares into 4 is equal to 16,000. 24,000 plus 16,000 is equal to 40,000. Now capital reserve. 18,000 plus 28,000 minus 18,000 plus 16,000. 18,000 plus 28,000 is equal to 46,000 and 18,000 plus 16,000 is equal to 34,000. 46,000 minus 34,000 is equal to 12,000 credit balance of a share forfeiture account. Now journal entry. Journal entries of Siddharaj Isabgul Limited. First entry. Bank account debit 90 lakh to equity share application account 90 lakh, being the share application money received on 9 lakh shares at rupees 10 per share. Second journal entry, equity share application account debit 90 lakh to equity share capital 18 lakh to security premium account 42 lakh to bank account 30 lakh, being sanctioned 6 lakh shares amount at rupees 3 per share and transferred to share capital account, and premium amount at rupees 7 per share is transferred to security premium account and excess share application money refunded. Now third journal entry, equity share allotment account debit 24 lakh to equity share capital account 24 lakh, being the amount becomes due on 6 lakh shares at rupees 4 per share on allotment. Fourth journal entry, bank account debit 23 lakh 76,000 to equity share allotment account 23 lakh 76,000, being amount received on 5 lakh 94,000 shares which was due on allotment except on 6,000 shares of Siddharaj. Fifth journal entry, equity share capital account 6,000 shares into 7 debited 42,000 to equity share forfeiture account 18,000 to equity share allotment account 24,000, being after allotment forfeited 6,000 shares of Siddharaj as necessary amount not received thereon. Sixth journal entry, equity share final call account debit 17 lakh 82,000 to equity share capital account 17 lakh 82,000, being the amount becomes due on 5 lakh 94,000 shares on final call at rupees 3 per share. Seventh journal entry, bank account debit 17 lakh 70,000 to equity share final call account 17 lakh 70,000, being amount received on 5 lakh 90,000 shares which was due on final call except on 4,000 shares of JC. Eighth one, equity share capital account 4,000 into 10 is equal to 40,000 to equity share forfeiture account 28,000 to equity share final call account 12,000, being forfeited 4,000 shares of JC for non-payment of a share final call. Now Siddharaj, bank account debit 6,000 shares into 7 debit 42,000, equity share forfeiture account 6,000 into 3 18,000 to equity share capital account 60,000, being forfeited shares of Siddharaj sold to Minal at rupees 7 per share. Now JC, bank account debit for 24,000 4,000 shares into 6, equity share forfeiture account debit 16,000 4,000 shares into 4 rupees to equity share capital 40,000, being forfeited shares to JC sold to Rudra at rupees 6 per share. Now 11th journal entry, equity share forfeiture account debit 12,000 to capital reserve account 12,000, being credit balance of a share forfeiture account is transferred to capital reserve account. Now share forfeiture account, debit side, equity share capital 18,000, equity share capital account 16,000 and to capital reserve 12,000. Total amount is 46,000. By equity share capital 18,000 to by equity share capital 28,000, total 46,000. So 46,000 minus this amount we minus then difference amount 12,000 we transfer to capital reserve account. Now question number 18. Kapoor Media Limited issued 1,20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 80 per share for public subscription. Company called up the amount including share premium in 4 equal installments. It means on application, on allotment, on first call and on final call. Company received application for 1,60,000 equity shares. Excess application were rejected and money paid thereon was refunded. Shahid, who was holding 4,000 shares, failed to pay first call and final call on shares held by him. His shares were forfeited after due formalities. This forfeited share were issued to Ranbir at a premium of rupees 70 per share, and the amount on this was received by the company. Write necessary journal entries in the books of company to record above transaction and also prepare security premium account. Answer part. First of all, necessary calculation. On application, 1,60,000 shares into 2.50 is equal to 4 lakh plus security premium 1,60,000 shares into 20 rupees is equal to 32 lakh. 4 lakh plus 32 lakh is equal to 36 lakh. Minus rejected application 40,000 shares into 20.50 is equal to 9 lakh. 36 lakh minus 9 lakh is equal to 27 lakh. On allotment, share capital 1 lakh 20,000 share into 2.50 is equal to 3 lakh. Plus security premium 1 lakh 20,000 shares into 20 is equal to 24 lakh. 3 lakh plus 24 lakh is equal to 27 lakh bank account. On first call as well as final call, share capital 1 lakh 20,000 shares into 2.50 is equal to 3 lakh. Plus security premium 1 lakh 20,000 shares into 20 is equal to 24 lakh. 3 lakh plus 24 lakh is equal to 27 lakh. Minus call in arrears 4,000 shares into 22.50 is equal to 90 rupees. 27 lakh minus 90,000 is equal to 26 lakh 10,000. On forfeited shares, share capital 4,000 shares into 10 is equal to 40,000. Plus security premium 4,000 shares into 40 is equal to 1 lakh 60,000. 40,000 plus 1 lakh 60,000 is equal to 2 lakh. Minus call in arrears 4,000 shares into 45 is equal to 1 lakh 80,000. 2 lakh minus 1 lakh 80,000 is equal to 20,000 share forfeiture account. On reissue of forfeited share with premium, share capital 4,000 shares into 10 rupees 40,000 plus security premium 4,000 shares into 70 is equal to 2 lakh 80,000. 40,000 plus 2 lakh 80,000 is equal to 3 lakh 20,000 bank account debit. Total amount of share forfeiture account is transferred to capital reserve account. Now, journal entry of Kapoor Media Limited. First journal entry, bank account debit 36 lakh to equity share application account 36 lakh, being the amount received on 1 lakh 60,000 equity share at rupees 22.50 per share with application. Second, equity share application account debit 36 lakh to equity share capital account 3 lakh to security premium account 24 lakh to bank account 9 lakh, being sanctioned 1 lakh 20,000 shares amount at rupees 2.50 per share is transferred to share capital account and premium amount at rupees 20 per share is transferred to security premium account and excess amount refunded. Third, equity share allotment account debit 27 lakh to equity share capital account 3 lakh to security premium account 24 lakh, being the amount becomes due on 1 lakh 20,000 shares at rupees 2.50 per share for allotment and rupees 20 per share for premium. Fourth journal entry, bank account debit 27 lakh to equity share allotment account 27 lakh, being the amount which was due on allotment is received. Fifth one, equity share first call account debit 27 lakh to equity share capital account 3 lakh to security premium account 24 lakh, being the amount becomes due on 1 lakh 20,000 shares at rupees 2.50 per share for first call and rupees 20 per share for premium. Sixth journal entry, bank account debit 26 lakh 10,000 to equity share first call account 26 lakh 10,000, being the amount received on 1 lakh 16,000 shares at rupees 22.50 per share which was due on first call. Seventh journal entry, equity share final call account debit 27 lakh to equity share capital account 3 lakh to security premium account 24 lakh, being the amount becomes due on 1 lakh 20,000 shares at rupees 2.50 per share for final call and rupees 20 per share for premium. Eighth one, bank account debit 26 lakh 10,000 to equity share final call account 26 lakh 10,000, being the amount received which was due on final call except 4,000 share. Ninth one, equity share capital account 4,000 shares into 10 debited 40,000, security premium account debit 1 lakh 60,000 4,000 shares into 40, to equity share forfeiture account 20,000, to equity share first call account 90,000, to equity share final call account 90,000, being forfeited 4,000 shares as the first call and final call money not received thereon. 10th one, bank account debit 3,20,000, 4,000 shares into 80 rupees. To equity share capital 40,000, to security premium 2,80,000. Being forfeited 4,000 shares reissued at rupees 80 per share with premium rupees 70. 11. Equity share forfeiture account debit 20,000 to capital reserve account 20,000. Being the balance of share forfeiture account is transferred to capital reserve account. Now, security premium account. First of all, credit side, by equity share application account 24 lakh, by equity share allotment account 24 lakh, by equity share first call account 24 lakh, by equity share final call account 24 lakh, bank account 2,80,000, total 98 lakh. Now debit side, to equity share first call account 80,000, to equity share final call account 80,000. 98,000 minus 1,60,000, then balance carry forward 94,40,000. So this way security premium account is there. Now question number 19. Sheetal Electronic Limited issued 1,20,000 equity shares to the public at rupees 10 per share. Company called up the amount as under. On application rupees 3 per share, on allotment rupees 3 per share, and on final call rupees 4 per share. Application were received from public for 1,80,000 shares. In this reference, allocation was made by company as under. Full allotment was made to application of 48,000 shares. Not a single share was allotted to applications of 36,000 shares. 72,000 shares was allotted to application of 96,000 shares. All amount were received in time. From the above information, pass necessary journal entries in the books of the company. Now necessary calculation, answer part. Number of share application 48,000, 36,000 and 96,000, total 1,80,000. Amount paid on application 1,44,000, 1,08,000 and 2,88,000, 5,40,000. Number of share allotted 48,000 and 72,000, 1,20,000. Amount transferred to share application 1,44,000 and 2,16,000, total 3,60,000. Amount transferred to share allotment 72,000. Amount transferred to share final call nothing. Amount refunded 1,08,000. So this way total calculation is there. Now journal entries of a Sheetal Electronics Limited. Bank account debit 5,40,000 to equity share application account 5,40,000. Being share application money received on 1,80,000 shares at rupees 3 per share. Second journal entry, equity share application account debit 5,40,000 to equity share capital account 1,20,000 share into 3,60,000. To equity share allotment account 24,000 shares into 72,000. To bank account 36,000 shares into 1,08,000. Being transfer of share application money to equity share capital account for 1,20,000 allotted shares at rupees 3 per share. Refund money on 36,000 shares at rupees 3 per share and excess amount of application of 24,000 shares to share allotment account at rupees 3 per share. Now third journal entry, equity share allotment account debit 3,60,000 to equity share capital account 3,60,000. Being allotment money due on 1,20,000 allotted shares at rupees 3 per share. Bank account debit 2,88,000 to equity share allotment account 2,88,000. Being after deducting rupees 72,000 of advance allotment money, balance amount fully received on allotment. Fifth one, equity share final call account debit 4,80,000 to equity share capital account 4,80,000. Being amount due on final call at rupees 4 per share. Bank account debit 4,80,000 to equity share final call account 4,80,000. Being full amount is received on final call. So this way our question number 19 is over. Thank you very much.